You can actually get one of these wish ribbons and hang it around the tree to get some to wish for something good, like for example good career, health, love and so on. Look at the cows. Greetings from Chengdu Sichuan. I'm waiting for the metro to go to the Chunxi route. It's at the 59092. It's about 15 minutes ride, so train is coming. The first impression, Chengdu metro is actually quite clean and plenty of seats here. And then one row can sit like 6 or 7 passengers, no problem. The yellow handles, and there's this emergency stop button. There's even the directory. The next station will be the Daci Temple. Now at the Chunxi road area, this is a bustling street, just located next to the Chunxi MRT, the metro lane. Nice little doggy. Look at the car here, it's just amazingly beautiful. There's one more in the corner, the red one. It's a nice swing. Today I'm at the famous iconic Daci Temple in Chengdu downtown. The nearest metro station will be Chunxi route, which is 92 of the Chengdu metro, so let's explore. I just stepped inside. Today is a weekday, about 4:50 p.m. and a bit crowded now. The temple is actually quite big. Look at the architecture. There's a special part about this temple. I'll show you guys what is it, so stay tuned. A very peaceful temple indeed. Today is a weekday. Chengdu has one of the most beautiful temples. Most temples size like this, and the beauty of it, I think it takes a lot of effort and money to maintain. There are 2 stupas on the left side. You can actually get one of these wish ribbons and hang it around the tree to get some to wish for something good, like for example good career, health, love and so on. Oh, there are Chinese words written carved on the stone. Man Luo Man Hua, which I don't really know what the meaning, but it's some kind of blessing. It's actually a kind of chant on the red ribbons, the Om Mani Padme Hum. They wanted like to benefit all the sentient beings of the sage realms, human, ghosts, animals, the devas, the gods, and the asuras. By chanting them, they'll be liberated from the six realms of existence and never be reborn once again, and hence ending samsara and the rebirth cycle. Subscribe if you enjoyed the video so far and give a like so that more people can find the video and watch together. Thanks very much. It's 5 p.m. now, it's still sunny. And you actually buy some tea over there and drink. After all those smoking, you guys may be thirsty and come to this tea house and enjoy some tea. Which person can light up to 3 incense joysticks is free of charge.